everyone, today I would like to show you how you can instantly summarize an entire YouTube video using just its link with its relevant timestamp. You can do it entirely for free because we'll be using Google Gemini AI. So summarizing YouTube videos using LLMs like ChatGPT is not a new concept, but it is a usually very tedious process because you need to click on the YouTube video, click on show more, click on show transcript, and then you need to copy and paste the entire transcript into ChatGPT, and then only it will summarize it. So let me show you how easy you can do it in Google Gemini. So let's say you have a YouTube video. For example, I'm gonna try to summarize this YouTube video. So you can just copy the link and go to Google Gemini. You just need to have a Google account and sign up and go to the link gemini.google.com or links down in the description. And what you are going to do, you just do, can you summarize this YouTube video? And then you just paste in the link. That's it. And then you can just click submit. So since YouTube is owned by Google, Google Gemini can access YouTube directly. As you can see, it generates the summary of the YouTube video. You can ask it to format in whatever ways you want, but this is the most basic way you can summarize, and even includes the timestamp, which I really like. So if you click on it, you can see which part of the video it takes you. The timestamp is fairly accurate. So let's say I want to summarize this podcast. So I just right click on the thumbnail and click on copy link address. You don't even need to click on the YouTube video and paste the transcript. So you just go back to Google Gemini. Can you summarize this video with timestamps? And then just paste it. As you can see, it connects directly to YouTube, gets its transcript, and even immediately shows you even the timestamps. You can actually do that in ChatGPT as well. As you can see, I just paste in the YouTube video link and then ask whether I can summarize this video, and it connects to YouTube and gets the video. But as you can see, it can't show you the timestamp. The reason is that it accesses the page and gets whatever that is in the description. So if they will scan this page and will get whatever is in the description. So that's why when I asked it for the timestamp, it immediately just pasted the timestamp which is in the description of the video. So ChatGPT is sometimes not accessing the transcript from the YouTube. It usually just based on whatever that is in the description and the topic online, it use it to generate the summary. So if you want to generate YouTube summaries, I think it's better to use Google Gemini. So for videos longer than 30 minutes, you still have to use the traditional way, which is go to the YouTube video and then click on show transcript. So just click on it and then click on shift and then copy the entire transcript, go back to Google Gemini, click on new chat. Can you summarize this YouTube video based on the transcript? So since you can't paste the entire transcript into Google Gemini since it's too long, so go to your notepad, just copy and paste the entire transcript in here. As you can see, save it somewhere and then add the file into and then add the transcript into Google Gemini and just submit. So this is the more traditional way if you want to summarize videos longer than 30 minutes. But if you want to summarize YouTube videos longer than 30 minutes, there's another AI tool also made by Google, which is called Notebook LLM, that can also do that job, but it works a bit differently. So I'm gonna explain it in the next video. So if you want me to keep you up to date to when Google Gemini can actually summarize YouTube video links for more than 30 minutes, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.